hold me, what is the most important things for the LED display? Imagine quality or prices? No, it is nice. And this is one of the classic LED display, EA500C6 LED display. Its cabinet is made of die-cast aluminum, which is corrosion-resistant and better able to cope with the harsh outdoor weather. All screws and quick locks are made of stainless steel, making them more robust and durable, ideal for rental LED displays. In addition, the back cover design of EA500C6 rental LED displays is also very impressive. Employing the unique heat dissipation design, noise generation is reduced. When used indoors, the back cover can be opened for heat dissipation. Furthermore, EA500C6 rental LED displays also has both the excellent projective capabilities. With the IP65 production rating, it can easily withstand rainwater invasion. Rubber rings have been added to the back cover and part for enhanced protection. Now let's talk about the software advantages. Go! EA500C6 rental LED display also offers an excellent display experience. With a 3840Hz high refresh rate, high grayscale, and a high brightness, it delivers an exceptional vision experience. That's all for today. See you next video. Bye bye!